This video will show you how to replace your outside tail lamp assembly on this Toyota Corolla. This will be mounted to the rear of your vehicle. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Open your trunk lid. With the trunk lid open, let's start dislodging this inside panel. There's two plastic push clips. I'm just using a trim tool. Pry those out of place. It's pretty common for those to break. We'll replace them as necessary. Let's take hold of this panel. We'll start pulling it down and away. Let's have a look along the inboard side. We can see our electrical wiring harness. There's a couple securing points. We're just going to separate those. Just pry them out of place. Continue on with your electrical connectors. They have locking tabs. Squeeze them in, pull them out of place. A quick inspection for corrosion. Now we can see our three 10mm mounting nuts holding this in place. I'm going to go for the farthest one first. On to the next two. Now all the hardware is out of the tail lamp assembly, but there is one more mounting point. It's behind here. You can't see it until the tail lamp's out of place, but essentially it's a tab that protrudes out from the body of the vehicle and the tail lamp slides over it. We're going to have to use a small prying device. I'm using a plastic trim tool. We're going to start prying this tail lamp straight out and away, rearward from the vehicle. Let's try to wedge in here. This is typically a tight fit. You may find it's easiest from inside of the trunk to lightly tap with a rubber mallet on one of the studs, driving this rearward, and then you can continue on with your prying device. There we go. There it is, friend. Now that we have the tail lamp assembly out of the vehicle, let's clean and inspect. If the original seal is still stuck in place, go ahead and remove and dispose of that properly. Continuing on from there, let's just go ahead and clean up the body of the vehicle. I'm going to use some glass cleaner on a clean rag. Obviously, you should clean as you deem necessary. That exposes our clip that I had mentioned during the removal process. Make sure that's still in good usable order. If it's broken, you want to replace it. Now we can install our brand new rear tail lamp assembly. Let's align our studs and that clip. Once everything seems like it's aligned, we're going to start pressing it straight forward. You may have to tap lightly. Now let's make our way inside the trunk. We'll start with our three mounting nuts, one on each one of the mounting studs. Start them on, snug them up. Let's just double check, make sure we're seated. Time for the electrical connectors. Press them in, listen for a click. Double check, make sure those are both secure. Secure your wiring harness. One more quick inspection in this area and we can install our panel. We'll just make sure everything's secure in here. Make sure it's tucked in and behind your plastic trim panel. We'll press in our two push clips. Let's close our trunk lid. Okay friend, we finished our installation. Of course you want to make sure you test the functionality. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.